Steve's about to do a backflip. Please don't fall.
What's up, Jack?
Why, hello.
Looks like we're going to a car meet. Or a car show, I guess. Car show, right?
It's a show.
Yeah. Taking the Camaro. What year is this?
67, sir.
67.
Should I do it?
Yes. Ooh, okay.
Hello. I'm with him.
With him? Okay.
Yeah, we're registered. What? That's a new Camaro.
Are we registered, Jack?
What's the plan, Grandpa?
Packing in.
Let's go get our t-shirts.
Yay!
We can park in that driveway. Apparently they don't. T-shirt coupon. Large. What size is it?
Totally different country. It's sick. But also kind of the same, Jack. It's like it's the... Do you know what one that is?
I do not. $200 deal.
Like a Toyota 86 Corolla?
Like 1985 Corolla.
We're almost next. Heading to the parade.
Look at that guy. He knows how to style himself.
Well, we parked the car, Jack. Now we're just walking.
It's hot.
It's so hot.
Oh my god.
Let's go check out the parade.
Snap, and then you're fine. And it's seriously just like a shuffle. You just click on.
So Lucas here. Lila? No.
Right here.
We have a Becca. Is Becca here? So 4. Why are we doing the burnout?
With a 1982 Ford Desert Racer. Are you ready to go? I think so. Make it smoke.
Here we go. Here we go.
With a 2016 Dodge Challenger Hellcat.
What do you think of that? That was cheese, bro. Not impressed with Dodge right now. Not impressed.
More Chevys are coming out.
Oh, preach. Duct tape there on the fenders.
Come on, Hellcat. Did you say what it actually was?
Hellcat. Traction control! The traction control's on. Come on! Yeah! It's a button. Where's your red key? Give up.
Lame.
You gotta give him forward!
What is this? That's number 2, Jack. Second failure. Second Dodge failure. What the hell?